Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got the new Cricut, well it's not new, it's new to me, fine point blade, and I'll tell you why. I did some cutting and I got all of this little things just came off and it wasn't cutting real well. I got all this little bits and I'm like, oh, I need to get the fine blade. So I ended up getting the fine blade. I just got it on Amazon. I tried to buy it at Michael's and there was this whole big huge fiasco, and I won't be shopping at Michael's for a while, unfortunately, because they were just really bad customer service for me. But I digress. I don't want to be bad mouthing. I just opted to not purchase from them and ended up going on on Amazon instead, and found them about $10 less. So anyways, I wanted to show you, I cut them off because it had that hard plastic, and then this is the first time that I've done it, so I was like, how am I going to do this? But this is the actual blade, and then this is the cartridge that holds it. And so if you need to change your blades, it's going to be quick and easy. This kind of moves up, and I was like, oh, maybe there were two blades. No, it's just the one blade. And then I looked here and I was like, well, that doesn't really look like a blade, and how do I put this in there? And this doesn't come off. I was like perplexed, right? And then this part came off, and look, you could really see that that is a blade, and this is just the protectant. And so when you are handling it, make sure you handle it by holding it the way that the blade is, kind of like you would a flat knife. You're going to do the same with the flat blade. And then there's some magnet in there, and so when you put it in there, it's just going to pull that right in there. So you see how easy that was? You just take this part off of the blade, stick that in there, and the magnet comes right off. And now that I'm thinking about this, that was a protectant, so you might want to keep that to be able to hold that. And we're going to try and see if this will just pull that right out of there. It does not. Okay, so I thought maybe that was the way that works, but you could always just use this rubber piece as a protectant. Stick that out there so that the magnet grabs a hold of it, and there you go. So I hope that helps you. It helped me in figuring it out, and now I'm not so scared, and now I get to cut and get a nice fine cut. If you like this kind of tip, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you let me know in the comments below if this helped you, and then make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell button so you don't miss any future videos. Alright, I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!